What's up, guys? Today I wanted to give you some overall impressions of the Southbend Stage 3 clutch. This was installed on my 15 WRX at about 30,000 miles. Just before the install, I think a few months before, is when I got my Pro Tune for E85 and 93 at Turning Concepts. So the car put down about 350 wheel horsepower. For some of you guys that haven't seen that video, it's at my channel. You can check it out if you want. But anyway, um, that amount of power matched with my style of driving, how much I like to go out and enjoy the car, just really didn't match. So I ate through the stock clutch pretty fast. I wasn't planning on replacing it at 30,000 miles, but when it's slipping and this thing's a daily driver, it's my commuter to work and a fun car at the same time. You have to do the responsible thing and eat that cost. Talking about cost anyway, ended up going with the stage 3 clutch from Southbend because that's what my power levels were at with E85. So I did that, and then I got a new flywheel. I didn't really know the condition of the flywheel, and if it had slipped or not. So I went ahead and did that, and then had Turn-In Concepts install the clutch. So that was pretty expensive. I think I got out of there for about $1,600, roughly. So definitely ate into some of my car fund, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Why did I go with the Southbend over some other clutches out there? Well, I talked to a lot of friends, did some reading on Naziok, and for the 15 and up WRX, it just seemed like the best choice. I was trying to go for something as close to stock as I could, or the stock feeling as I could, and I think that's what the Southbend Stage 3 clutch is giving me. Now it is stiffer. It's about 20% stiffer than the stock clutch. So you do have that. It's not unbearable if you're sitting in traffic. If you're one of those people that stands on the clutch in a traffic jam, it's probably going to be a little more difficult. Definitely over stock, but it's not terrible at all. I'd say overall it took me about a week to get used to, and after that it just felt natural. I really like it. The clutch doesn't chatter at all. The engagement point is not really tricky. When I first got into the car, it took a little bit to get used to that first week, but after that, the clutches felt really good. I let it break in for the first 500 miles, so I didn't do any shifting above 3,000 RPMs until I hit that 500 mark. Other than that, I really haven't thought about the clutch since, so it's obviously doing its job. And if I go with another clutch, it's probably going to be a Southbend clutch, so I'm really liking it.